Arrive in or arrive at. What's the difference? And when to use each of them? Hello and welcome back to Learn with EP Mom. Today we are going to understand the difference between in and out with the verb arrive. First is arrive in. We mostly use arrive in with countries or cities, and we use arrive at for any places like hotel, school, or we can use it at the event. So let us jump into the examples. We've arrived blank Japan. Japan is a country, so we are going to use in. We've arrived blank Tokyo. Tokyo is a city, so we are going to use in. Now let us have a look at the third one. We've arrived blank the hotel. The hotel is a place, so we say at. The next one. We've arrived blank the wedding. The wedding is an event, so we say at. Let us have more practice. She's arrived blank the Philippines. Philippines is a country in the Philippines. We have arrived blank Laguna. Laguna is a city in Philippines, so we say in. We have arrived blank the conference confidently. Conference is an event, so we say, can you write the answer in the comment box? Follow for more.